If x is an integer greater than 0, what is the remainder when x is divided by 4? So we have to find out the remainder when x is divided by 4. Let's check the first statement. The first statement says that the remainder is 3 when x plus 1 is divided by 4, which means x plus 1 is a multiple of 4 plus 3 form, right? Because x plus 1 when divided by 4, it leaves remainder 3. So x plus 1 may have many possible values, such as it could be 3 itself when a is 0, it could be equal to 7 or 11 or 15, etc. That means the values of x may be either 2 or 7 minus 1, that is 6, or 11 minus 1, that is 10, or 15 minus 1, that is 14. Now let's see what is the remainder when x is divided by 4. When 2 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. When 6 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. When 10 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. And when 14 is divided by, the remainder is 2. So every time the remainder is 2, therefore the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. In fact, we could have translated this equation into that x is equal to a multiple of 4 plus 2. So always 2 will be the remainder when this is divided by 4. Now the answer has to be either option A or option D. Let's check the second statement. The second statement says the remainder is 0 when 2x is divided by 4. That simply means that 2x is a multiple of 4, which means x is a multiple of 2. Now in this particular case, x can be equal to either 2, or it can be 4, or it can be 6, or it can be 8, or it can be 10. But when the remainder is calculated on dividing x by 4, the remainder can be 2 or it can be 0. Again it can be 2 or it can be 0. So there are these two possibilities always. There is no consistent answer, and hence the second statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question. And the final answer to the question is option A, because the first alone is sufficient but the second statement alone is not sufficient. Thank you so much.